Imagine a world where you can quickly assess a newborn's health. The APGAR score makes this possible. This simple assessment helps doctors and nurses identify potential health issues right after birth. The APGAR score is a quick test performed on newborns. It stands for appearance, pulse, grimace, activity, and respiration. Each component is scored from 0 to 2, creating a total score from 0 to 10. Let's break down the scoring system step by step. First, we look at appearance. Here, we check skin color. A score of 0 is given for blue or pale, 1 for pink body and blue limbs, and 2 for all pink. Next is pulse. We check the heart rate. A score of 0 is for no heartbeat, 1 for a heart rate below 100, and 2 for above 100 beats per minute. The third component is grimace, looking at reflexes. A score of 0 indicates no response, 1 for a grimace, and 2 for a strong cry. Activity measures muscle tone. A score of 0 means limp, 1 is weak flexion, and 2 is active motion. Lastly, we assess respiration. A score of 0 is for no breathing, 1 for weak cries, and 2 for strong cries. Now let's consider an example. A newborn with pink skin, a heart rate of 120, strong reflexes, active motion, and robust breathing could score 10. That's the highest possible score. To summarize, the APGAR score evaluates 5 quick health indicators. It reveals a newborn's immediate well-being after birth. Quick assessments lead to early interventions if needed. If you found this helpful, share it with a new parent. Understanding the APGAR score can empower every parent. Make sure to subscribe for more informative videos like this. Ready to discover a quick way to assess a newborn's health? Meet the APGAR score, a vital tool for immediate newborn evaluation. This simple test helps identify health issues right after birth. Here are 3 key benefits of the APGAR score. It's quick, it's straightforward, and it can lead to early interventions. Let's break down how the APGAR score works. The score reviews 5 factors: appearance, pulse, grimace, activity, and respiration, each rated from 0 to 2. For example, a baby with pink skin, a heart rate of 120, and strong reflexes scores a perfect 10. That's the highest score possible, signaling great health. With the APGAR score, healthcare providers can quickly determine a newborn's immediate well-being. This leads to fast action if any issues arise, saving precious time. Spread the word and empower new parents by sharing this information. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Check out the APGAR score today, it's crucial for every newborn's health journey. Imagine quickly assessing a newborn's health. The APGAR score makes this possible. This assessment helps identify health issues after birth. The APGAR score assesses newborns through appearance, pulse, grimace, activity, and respiration. Each component is scored from 0 to 2, totaling a maximum of 10. First, we assess appearance by checking skin color, 0 for blue, 1 for pink body, blue limbs, and 2 for all pink. Next, pulse analyzes heart rates, 0 for no heartbeat, 1 for under 100, and 2 for over 100 beats per minute. Grimace evaluates reflexes, 0 means no response, 1 for a grimace, and 2 for a strong cry. Activity measures muscle tone, 0 means limp, 1 is weak flexion, and 2 is active motion. Lastly, respiration examines breathing, 0 is no breathing, 1 for weak cries, and 2 for strong cries. For example, a newborn with pink skin, a heart rate of 120, strong reflexes, active motion, and strong breathing scores 10, the highest possible score. In summary, the APGAR score evaluates 5 health indicators, indicating a newborn's well-being after birth. Quick assessments allow for early interventions if needed. Share this with a new parent. Understanding the APGAR score empowers parents. Subscribe for more informative videos. Ready to learn a quick way to assess newborn health? The APGAR score is vital for immediate evaluations. Here are 3 key benefits. It's quick, straightforward, and leads to early interventions. The APGAR score reviews 5 factors, each rated from 0 to 2: appearance, pulse, grimace, activity, and respiration. We check the baby's skin color for appearance, assess heart rate for pulse, evaluate reflexes for grimace, measure muscle tone for activity, and review breathing quality for respiration. For instance, a baby with pink skin, a heart rate of 120, and strong reflexes scores a perfect 10, signaling excellent health. With the APGAR score, healthcare providers assess a newborn's well-being quickly, allowing immediate action if issues arise, saving precious time. Spread the word to empower new parents. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more insights. Check out the APGAR score, it's crucial for every newborn's health.